Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's April 28th. Coming at you with another video here, an update on Ibots tonight. I've given a previous video on Ibots, so if you're interested in getting the overview on that one, please look into the tab on the upper right and click on that video and take a look. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Always happy to keep providing more content for you. Currently been looking at a lot of these trading protocols. Ibots is looking at FOREX trading right now. They have crypto AI trading bots, crypto stuff as well, but they're not utilizing those bots at this time. But in my earlier video, I said I'd get back to you. I've been with the protocol now for a month almost, and they've shut down the bot for the month, just coming to some events that are coming up. So to decrease the risk, they actually shut down the bots, which is one of the things I do like about this protocol. It's not the highest paying. They pay 5 to 15% per month, or they're trying. That's their target. They pay between 1 and 15%, and this month they didn't quite make the 5%. They just went around 4%. So we'll get into that here. If you're interested in looking into this one, I think it's a solid protocol for earning on a monthly basis. Has a lot less risk, and they do a lot of things to maintain that risk averseness, and but while earning you funds on your money as well. So iBots is where I like to put some money. Definitely, you got some stable coin to get in there, or if you don't want to, get into some high risk plays, this is definitely one to get into. Now, looking at the trading, here we have the actual calendar for the day. I'll expand this a little bit, see if we can get the numbers a little bit better. I got in on this protocol here at the end of March. This is the April one. They opened up the month with a good trade at almost 1%, and I like that. And then they actually, did a bunch of small ones. They turned off the bot here. For April 6th and 7th, 13th, 14th, and now at the end of the month again, because of those, trading events that are going to happen, whether, it's real world stuff where they're dropping the labor numbers from the US, or, other market interventions that will happen, that they just don't feel that they want to get involved in that with the increased risk that's there. So they opened up with almost a 1%, and they closed similarly on the 26th with 0.82%. So I did well on this protocol as well. Let's go over to looking at mine. I now have $1,750 in here. I started with $750, and I missed the opening 0.97%. With $1,000, I added that after, just the way my funds worked out for me. So you can see that with 1% on that one, would have got another $17 as well, or sorry, another $10 on that as well. So minus the fees, of course. But I made $46 for the month, and could have been, in the 50s. And right when you get to the $50, that's when you can withdraw on this. So I'm liking the protocol. Again, 5 to 15% is their target. They got 4% this month. So let's jump quick in. If you're interested in, also they provide a lot of data as well, which I'm liking. Here you go. You have the daily updates when you have the increases here. They also do a weekly roll up, and pretty soon they'll have a monthly as well. So they provide that information there. If you like the data and the numbers, here's the daily numbers. They look at the daily profits. For the 0.82% was $1,543. They also have $186,000 of trading. The total bot value is up here as well, 196,000. So they do a lot of provide a lot of information, and when they're trading as well. In here, if you want to get into, is the real forex trading that they're doing. A couple of the bottom two are for testing that they're doing right now. The first two, if you click on those, you can actually get into, it's updated every 10 minutes live. So if you want to get in there and get on that data as well, they provide it as well. So, I'm liking the protocol for iBots. Again, it's not as high as some of the other ones. Wolf Capital, it's more like the Stable Invest and stuff like that I've given as well. So if you want to get in here, provide some, stability to your portfolio, get out of some of the high leverage plays that, the 1 to 2%, or even the degen plays if you're into any of those. I try not to provide too many of those or any of those here right now. That are there. The Ponzi-nomics for Wolf Capital per se has gone away, but this one here is, solid. They get the risk out of it for the most part. You can never take all that risk away, but they actually, they're actively trying to reduce that risk. So it's one of the things that I like. Anyways, again, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. Looking forward to bringing you more. It's Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.